What's really good, people? Welcome back at me. How you been? How you doing? It's great with you. You know what I'm saying? I have this 2013 Honda CRV. I'm gonna show you how to replace the cutting out filter, engine out filter. Alright? So stay tuned. Hope you like this video. Enjoy. Alright? Like, share, and comment. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. Alright? Let's go. Let's get it. Let's do it, bro. Shout outs to everybody, even the haters too, alright? I hope you know how to open the hood. This is the latch. You're gonna need the kickstand, alright? Now here, on the right side of the engine bay, you're gonna see this guy right here. Alright? You see these clips? The one over there? The brown one? It's kinda rusty, this one. What you're gonna do is pop it like that, pop, right? Pop the other one over there, back two, pop, this one right here, pop, now, yeah, right, pop. Now you don't need that much space, okay? There you go. You see, and I'm doing it with one hand, huh? If I can do it with one hand, you can do it with two, man. Come on, man. Alright, pop, come out. GD. The same way it come out, the same way it's gonna go in, right? This is the part number for this baby. L filter, lower refiner, AAF 5210. That's the part number. GD. Pop this like that, pop, pull it out. Make sure it looks the same, okay? You see a difference, you see what's up. Right. So, just gonna put it back. Chop this side. Boom. Now, when you put it back, see this thing right here? There's 1, 2 in the back. They gotta go underneath this, okay? Now I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter in this baby. Alright. On and low. Let me give you the part number for the cabin filter. This is it. I don't know how you're going to see it though. Maybe you're going to see it like this. Champ is the brand. That's the part number. CAF1781. Okay, there you go. Pull it out. That's how it looks like. It says airflow and an arrow. Okay. Now here in the passenger side, the front, alright? You're gonna come over here, open this. You see these clips over here? Just gotta push it in, push it that way. Okay, the same here. You see that clip, the black clip over there, whatever, that one. Pull it towards you. Now, pull it down. You see this guy right here on the side? Just press it like that. Alright, now you come over here, see this, press it, this one too, press it, it's gonna come out. You see this thing that says airflow, the arrow goes down, that's what you're gonna do with the new one, okay? Pull it out, you see the magic, what it happens. on this one right here it says airflow, the arrow pointing down. Red pot. Put it in there. Okay. You cap back just like this. Okay, it's gonna clip. And that's it. Put everything back. No, this thing, put it back. All of that. I'm gonna fix this in a minute. This thing. Like that. Press it all the way up. And that's it. Alright. And that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. I don't replace it. A cabin filter and the engine oil filter. In this 2013 Honda CRV. Alright. You know where to find me. I'm talking now. I'm out there.